Today we're making viral onion recipes. Ooh. Don't forget to thumb this video. If you hate washing up, this one pan recipe is for you.
You guys have been loving my one tray baked pastas, and today we're making a caramelized onion version. The greatest thing about this recipe is you don't have to sit over a hot stove for an hour caramelizing your onions. The oven does the work for you. When it comes out of the oven, squeeze your garlic and then add some lemon juice, greens of choice, and coconut milk. I can't describe how amazing this sauce is. Stir in your pasta and you're ready to serve.
Your kitchen girlies are back. Today we are onion girlies. Ooh, I like onions. I just don't love it as much as garlic. But I feel like onion is a staple as well. No one likes cutting onions. And if you have a hack to cut onions without crying, please leave it below. I've got a good feeling about this one pan recipe.
It's been a while since we've done one pan.
One pans always deliver. Of course, we need the star ingredient. We've got our sliced onions. I chopped up 3 onions for this. We're feeding the whole fam. Then she hits it with a lot of paprika.
Spam that.
Yes. Oh my god, I'm getting deja vu. I feel like we've been here, done that.
Right? It's the one pan pasta,
now.
guys.
Deja vu. In goes Italian seasoning. Then I've chopped up some sun-dried tomatoes and left their oil in. So that all goes in. Say this jar. Asian household. Reuse all the jars.
They open the ice cream container from the freezer, but
it's
like
never
frozen
ice cream.
meat. Yeah.
It's never ice cream. Or like cookie tins.
Yeah.
And it's never cookies. Give that a stir. Better.
I'm like trying to fix my hair. I don't know.
It ain't a fashion show.
Clearly.
We always do that. We always go newsreader style. We're like, no, you can't see it anyway. And then you can definitely see like
see our whole bottoms.
shorts.
I remember last time I was wearing jeans and someone commented like, oh my god, it's the first time Zen's wearing like
Pants, jeans.
nice bottoms.
We need a bulb. Not a bulb. Is it a bulb? Is it a head of garlic? A bulb. Bulb is just one bulb. Or is a bulb the whole thing? How do you say a whole garlic? A whole garlic. That I just said it. Pop it in. I feel like it's a bit small. Should I put another one? I feel like garlic to onion ratio might be a little bit off. What do you think?
Okay, but this is an onion recipe.
Okay, I just love
make
garlic.
it
Fine.
into a garlic
Look, that you are right. You are 100% right. We go with 1. Now we're gonna cover and then bake in the oven for an hour. So we just checked on our onions and I feel like they don't look that caramelized. What do you think? I think we're gonna put it in for a little bit longer until it gets a little bit more color. Okay, get the garlic out. We'll let it cool for a little bit. This looks a little bit better, huh? Yeah. I feel like you could probably do it a little bit longer, but ours has been like well over an hour now. What if we just put it in the oven without it being covered? It's going back in again, guys. Our onions are finally looking a little bit better. It's got more color. So now let's add the rest of the ingredients. Did it cool down too much?
Singular squeezes.
Singular squeezes because ours has cooled down. Guys, we got too excited. I didn't realize the camera died, but we had added the coconut milk, the greens, oh, and lemon. And now we just gotta add in our pasta.
It looks so good, guys.
It smells divine.
Oh no.
Oh no, our pasta was waiting for this for a while, so it's cooled down. Oh, I think it would have been better if our pasta was hot, but you saw our onions, it needed more color. Okay, we're getting there. It's finally time to taste test. That's a good base. I feel like I want more zing.
I want cheese.
And I feel like I want more garlic powder.
Should we add a little bit more seasoning?
Garlic powder, salt and pepper, and lemon.
I think we should add cheese.
Add cheese, pop it back in the oven so it melts. Oh, we'll be back. I think this is it. This is it, guys. Added cheese, more seasoning, hit it with garlic powder. Yeah. It went from like a 1 thumb to a double thumb.
So I'm vibing with this now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I kind of wish it didn't take so long to cook the onions. If I was to make this again, I would just do it on the stove, right? I think it would be quicker on the stove. You know, I was thinking, even though it says like 1 pan, we still had to cook the pasta in another pan. So you might as well cook it on the stove. Don't even bake this. Stove it.
That is good.
That's so good. Definitely a double thumbs up. This onion boil recipe has been blowing up.
Onion boil recipe, let's get into it. This is really easy, so go ahead and start off by cutting off both ends of your onion. Then get you a butter knife like you see what I had, and then cut out the middle. Then you want to get you some Kerrygold unsalted butter. That's the best butter, and then stuff it down the core. Then you want to melt some of that butter as well, and then add all of these seasonings. Then add you some garlic. Add that butter on that onion right there. Put it on some foil. Keep on adding your butter. Add as much as you want. If you don't want to add that much, you don't have to, but then you want to sprinkle, bake it at 175 for 90 minutes. It's going to come out just like that. Add you some fresh parsley and you're done.
I'm excited for this one because I love seafood boil. So if this one has that same impact and flavor, oof. Butter knife, cut out the middle. Oh, I guess she uses a butter knife for a reason because you don't want to like cut too deep, right? She take out the middle. Ugh. Oh, okay. So dig it out. Okay, is that cavity good enough? We're gonna stuff it with butter. Oh, it's tight fit. Ta-da! Our onions have been buttered. Now let's make the sauce. We've got melted butter, and now we're just gonna chuck a whole bunch of seasonings inside. In goes a lemon pepper, our favorite garlic powder, onion powder, because you know you need more onions, paprika, Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, parsley, oregano, or oregano. What do you guys say? And you gotta have Old Bay. That's what I am. I'm an Old Bay now. Ain't no Young Bay. Old Bay. Finally, in goes minced garlic. Set up. It's looking pasty. That looks like an explosion. Grab our lovely onion. Now we're going to apply. It's like skincare. Yeah. Apply the skincare on top.
It's like an exfoliator.
Give that a spread. Oof. And now we just add more seasoning on top. Just everything again. Ooh. Wrap this up. Ta-da! Our parcel. Now these go in the oven for 90 minutes at 175 degrees. Why does it feel so long? It'll be worth the wait. I've never eaten onion like this.
Outback, step aside. My blooming onion is better. Let me show you how to make this infamous appetizer in less than 15 minutes. Always keep the root intact, if not everything will fall apart. Quarter your onion and then quarter it once or twice more depending on the size of your onion. Carefully spread it out and introduce it to a cold plunge while we make the batter. It's super simple, flour, seasonings, and water. It should have a thick consistency in order to coat the onion properly. Get batter into every single crevice of that onion. I don't want to see no bald spots. Now it's ready for some breadcrumbs. Remember, the more batter and breadcrumbs, the crispier it'll be. Spray generously with oil and air fry at 350 for 15 minutes. Once you're done cooking, you won't even realize that they were air fried. So just do me a favor, next time you're craving a blooming onion, just make it at home.
Blooming onions, they sound beautiful. I wonder if they taste good. For this, you need to leave the root intact so it doesn't fall apart. Now we make it bloom. Look at my knife, why is it so like wonky at the end?
Oh.
Oh, it's just, ta-da. Why is it giving me like Jisoo vibes? Blooming onions. I feel like some like master chef.
Like some artist.
Yeah, some artist carving this blooming onion to perfection. Blooming onion, meet my ice bath.
Oh, kind of looks like a lotus now.
It's a lotus. Wow, this is the prettiest onion ever. For the batter, we need flour, garlic powder, more onion powder, paprika, oregano, salt, pepper, and water. Give it a mix. I think we've got the consistency. Onion back. Fry the onion.
Put it in this side. Is it?
Ah!
Oh no, we lost the petal.
We lost. It kind of deconstructed itself, guys. No! I mean, it'll still taste good, right? Our onion's falling apart. Why is it just peeling itself? So much for a pretty onion.
Right?
Flips.
And then flip it back around.
It's so delicate and there's too much movement.
Get into every layer. Kind of like kimchi making.
Kimchi making with the most delicate cabbage. Oh gosh, it's just falling apart on me, guys. I don't know how we're gonna pick this up, guys. It's gonna be quite heavy.
Pick it up and it just
everything
de-blooms.
Becomes a mess. It just becomes petals. I feel like he should have warned us how messy this would be. I'm going to lift it up. Gosh.
You got it. I feel like
I
you
got
got it.
Half the onion's gone, but I got it. I can't wash my hands. I sent Alfred to the shops to get the ingredients today, and this is what he came back with.
Yes.
Costco size Planko crumbs. Wow. It's snowing. It's snowing. Yay.
So much for washing your hands.
I know. It's like dirty immediately. Okay, I reckon, oh, we lost the center. Okay, no, it's too heavy, too heavy. This has got some serious weight. My little tip, use smaller onions.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
We're gonna air fry this at 175 degrees for 15 minutes. Our blooming onion looks lacking in color, but it's like borderline gonna get burnt if we cook it for any longer. We actually cooked it for 7 minutes longer. Sorry about the chaos. It's just chaotic household. 2 kids. How to take this out? It's stuck. Oh no, it's stuck to the bottom. It's stuck to the bottom.
Lila, careful, it's hot, okay?
It's hot in
It's
here,
hot
Lila.
in here, Lila. Oh my god. Oh, I got it.
You got it?
Ow, you ran over my toe.
Oh shoot, I just put the tripod on your toe.
Oh my god,
Oh, no.
it's like this throat.
That's just burnt. The solo petals look burnt. It looks tragic, guys. Definitely not what we envisioned. Let's try it with the sauce we made. What does this look like? Can you guess the dish we tried to make?
No, blooming onion.
Yeah!
It doesn't look like an onion.
It looks like
a potato.
Okay, it still looks like food. Let's just pick a petal. I'll feed you. I'll pick a really good one for you.
I think the one at Outback was better.
Yeah.
Even though I've never tried it.
Is that even a question? Mine tastes kind of bitter. I don't know if
Yeah, it was bitter.
Yeah.
It's burnt.
Is it burnt?
But if you try the not burnt side, it's mushy.
It's a bit mushy. Some bits towards the center has the crunchy onion part because it's not fully cooked through. I was going back for another piece. It's not that bad. What do you think, Desmond?
It's better when it's not burnt, but it's still not great.
Kind of sad about this.
It's not complete trash, okay guys? It's like edible, does not look appetizing whatsoever, but if you get a good petal, it's okay. It's not a thumbs down.
I'm doing side thumb.
I think it's
side
it's like meh, very meh. Alf, what do you rate this? Meh.
Side thumb.
Everyone's meh. Selected pieces aren't so bad, but yeah.
meh.
Yeah.
For the effort as well, right? For the whole blooming process.
It's hard to make. It is really hard to make and look pretty. Like, definitely wouldn't try this again. Okay, so it's been, how long? I feel like it's been forever since this onion's been cooking. We're gonna check one first. Ah, so hot. It's like unboxing.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Ooh, it's steaming. It's piping hot. We need to let this cool.
Whoa.
Whoa, that looks good. Ah, my hands are burning. I'm trying to do that satisfying squeeze where the middle pops out. Ah, that was it. Oh wow.
Kind of feels like an onion soup.
That onion has a sweetness and then on top, oh my gosh, it's like a party in my mouth right now. So many spices. You know what? I have this idea. Call me crazy, but what if you like pureed this? Yeah,
Onion
like
soup.
Yeah, like a fancy soup.
Yeah.
Spicy.
It's good.
Oh wow. It's definitely main character vibe.
I mean, it is the whole onion, so.
It is a whole onion. Overall, pretty easy to make. You just need patience because 90 minutes, you gotta set and forget. 90 minutes feels really long if you're really hungry. But in saying that, the flavor, it's so yum. It's delicious and it's like it tastes bougie.
Yeah.
Like
It's basically like a seafood boil. Onion boil.
elevated onion. This definitely deserves double onions up. Alf said it before he walked away. Just know that we're voting on his behalf too. It doesn't look nice, but it is pretty good. If you're gonna make this, pop some corn in with the same sauce as well. Corn and then onion boil. That will be the
good.
combo. Don't forget to thumb this video. You know what? I could have just wore the gloves.
I know why.
We just like making
We just
life.
want to be together.
We just want to be a routine. Big thumbs, big thumbs. That is it to this recipe video. If you guys want to check out more kitchen chaos, click the video on screen.
I still prefer garlic recipes over onion recipes though.
Oh, if you haven't seen garlic recipes, check that out. You won't be disappointed. Subscribe if you guys are new here and we shall speak to you guys later. Bye!